gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. Moving too fast, candy paint with the window.
If you've ever wondered why I can't sleep sometimes, I mean, if you're like me, you want to sleep, but you can't sleep.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. I got home very late yesterday. Not really very late, sha. I got home, I was working, so I couldn't even do much. I was uploading on my YouTube, and I don't know, it took like hours. But yeah, I don't know, but my pen, who is calling me? Okay, my friend is calling me. Hello? Yes, why? Let me try and log in and see. Yeah, guys, it's my friend's work stuff. Oh my god. But yeah, I don't know. Yesterday night, I was sleeping. I don't know what I wanted to do. Now this has got me really jazzed because I really feel like I was sleepwalking, which is unlike me. But I know that I woke up, stood up to go and do something, and then I wanted to unplug my iPad, and I was trying to unplug it. My hand just hit my water bottle, and it felt like water spilled everywhere, and it entered into my pen. My friend that just called me now, I have a birthday gift for her. She doesn't know, but yeah, her birthday was like a few days ago, and I got a birthday gift for her. And guys, I have an unboxing to do. Oh my god, she's calling me back. What was I even saying again? Now I have forgotten. I rant a lot. I'm so sorry, guys. I know that this video is going to be very long because I keep ranting and ranting. Yes, I want to show you guys the big thing I got, which is relating to my iPad. I got something. Let me show you guys. Ooh, this from the sketchbook.ng on IG. It's a sketching book. It has my name on it. No, let me show you guys like this. You guys will see it. It has my name. It's a tailor and it's a fashion sketchbook. I got the plain one and I got the one that had sketch on it, and I got the measurement book. It's actually very nice. Let me show you guys how it is. So this just has like all measurement stuff for clients and notes to write, dates, name. I think this is unique and I need it for my business. So yeah, I got this, and this package came with the gift. I got a sketch pen, pencils actually, 2 pencils. See guys. Yes, which I'm grateful for. This was on my list to get and I got it. How much did it cost me? I think this cost me total 0 to 30,000. Yeah, but yeah. Now let me tell you guys one of the big and most amazing thing about this. 2021, I followed this page on Instagram. I found them on Instagram, I think it was an ad or something. And I was like, oh, I like this because it's sketching and stuff. And as at the time, I used to sketch, but not passion driven to the point where I know that I want to monetize this and move into being a fashion illustrator and a professional stylist, right? But yeah, I just followed them and I'm like, oh, I'm going to buy this, and I've never been able to buy. Not like I've not seen the money, but when you don't prioritize something. And yeah, I just I want a sketchbook, and guess what? I got it, guys. I got it. I'm so happy because I'm redefining my 2025, and this has been checked out on my list, and then my iPad as well. Another thing, let me show you guys the gift that I got for my friend for her birthday. I think this is it. Yeah, I got her like girly stuff, which is more like her for her vlogs. Oh my god. Oops. Yeah, I got her this face. Oh my god, I have it as well, but yeah, I gave it to her for like wellness videos and vlogs. She's a content creator as well. I don't know if she's a YouTuber actually. Yes, so I got her this, and I got her a face jade mirror. I think this is going to be nice, and I think she'll like it.
ask me how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide.
Even me myself I shock.
But these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I'll be screaming, but outside I be.
See, whether government or no government, a Chakika must survive. And you too must survive. Hey!
I'm going to bed. I'm taking coffee just to go to bed. Okay, guys, it's literally cold here. I didn't bring like a dress to wear, so for now, no tripod or anything.
If you got it, it ain't a question.
Life is good.
Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were to
My buttons gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick it. Run the track. Gas me up, give me motivation. The way we move, skin on the skin. No separation, need no conversation. Nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going table to a high. Nah, nah. Right, wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking me too long. Right before I decide to go. Only serve it up if you reserve for me. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stars. Like you hurt me. Only serve it up if you reserve for me. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stars. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Come give me life and I'll change yours. Who needs signs? I say floor.